tired with the shower head that came with the RV. Let's try the Oxygenics BodySpa RV. See if it changes how much water usage I use. So we'll do a little quick time, how long it takes to fill a bucket. See if it's any difference in the spray. Alright, so we got the spray, push button, holder, and hose. Real quickly, something else I should mention when it comes to your shower and the pressure and how much water your usage is how much filters you're using and whether or not you have a pressure reducer. I am using the Clear 2.0 two-stage filter, and I think this is a better option than the typical blue ones that you get from Camco. If you look up the size of Girardi and Cryptosporidium, you'll find that the blue one isn't going to cut it. You need to go something like this. If you look at the size of the micron size that the blue filter is, it's not as good as these green ones. This is a better way to go with the Clear 2.0. So it took 1 minute 25 seconds to fill a bucket up with the original shower head. So there's a little bit of a difference. Oxygenic, with it completely shut off, the button is still flowing. So this is the shower head I'm used to. This is the old one. This is the new one. This is the Oxygenics BodySpa. It's a little bit more confined, a little spray. It can go everywhere. So, you know, feels a little less water pressure. So it probably is a little less water being used. Alright, so the Oxygenics took 1 minute 37 seconds to fill the bucket, so it's about 12 seconds slower, but it does dribble from the button. So if I want to make this more water efficient, I need a better isolation button. So some quick differences. My old one has a small button here on the nozzle, whereas the new one is a bigger button and it's right here instead of at the head. Also, this new hose, Oxygenics hose, is probably about 3 inches longer than my old hose. That was the original Rpod nozzle's head, compared with the Oxygenics I just bought. I would say the Oxygenics has better water quality as far as the direction of control. It doesn't go kind of everywhere, it's a little bit more refined. Additionally, the Oxygenics was a bit less water coming out when you fill up the bucket. However, the Oxygenics isolation valve isn't as good as the original Rpod spray nozzle. It tended to trickle quite a bit of water out, so if you want to be a little bit more controlling of your water and minimize how much water usage, you're going to have to get a better isolation button. Hey, if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if it was terrible, didn't give you any help at all, give it a thumbs down. Additionally, I am an Amazon affiliate, so I'll put links in the description about the products, so you can decide for yourself if you need to go with an Oxygenics, and maybe a different model of Oxygenics, or just a totally different manufacturer. It's up to you. Good luck. Hope this helps.